Now we start our next session by the problem, exercise problem number 9. Mother, father and son line up at random for family picture. Family picture purpose, they are standing in a line, one line position, 3 members standing. So, event E, son on one end, F, father is in middle. Father is in middle. Total, you have to find here P of E by F. Determine P of E by F. It is a question. For that purpose, first of all, I'll write the sample space. Sample space capital S is equal to mother, father, son. I am writing first letters only, just mother, father, son. This is the one position, and mother, son, father. One position. Next, son, mother, father. Son, father, mother. Next, father, mother, son. Father, son, mother. So these are the total outcomes. More possibilities is not there. Only 6 possibilities you will get. This is a sample space here. Standing in one position, mother, father, son, mother, son, father. Like the total 6 positions you can make here. So this is a sample space. Given E is equal to son on one end. Son on one end. So I'll write the elements in E. Sun is one end side, either first end or last end. So here we can take this one M, S, F, this one not, this one also we can take S, F, M, S, F, M. Next one here also we can take F, M, S. So these are the one end is sun. Next, F is the father in middle. Father in middle. Father in middle. So F is equal to, you will get middle father here. F, M, F, S. M, F, S and S, F, M. S, F, M. More any possibilities is that there is no possibilities of father middle. Only this one. Now, intersection part between E and F is equal to, intersection part we can take M, F, S and S, F, M. Both are the intersection point of E and F. So now I'll write the probabilities of E. Probability of E is 4 elements by total elements is 6. So we can write 2 by 3. Next, probability of F is equal to 2 elements by total elements is 6. So 1 by 3 we can write. Next one, probability of E intersection F is equal to 2 by 6. That is also 1 by 3. Now we have to find P of E by F formula is, we know the P of E by F formula. P of E by F is equal to P of E intersection F by P of F. That is 1 by 3 by 1 by 3. That is equal to 1. Probability of E by F. E by F means son on one end, father is middle already exist. So this is the way of finding the problem number 9. Next, one more example problem we'll see here. Example 4. Already question I wrote here clearly. Read the question carefully. In a school, there are 1000 students. Solution. Direct I am writing. Number of elements in S is 1000. Out of which 430 are girls. 430 students are girls. It is known out of 430, 10% that girls studied in class 12. Class 12, 10% of 430. 430, 10% means 43 students studying in class 12. what is the probability that a student chosen randomly studies class 12 given that the student chosen is a girl? So I'll write first of all here clearly two events is there. The two events are E is a event, student chosen randomly, randomly studies class 12. So I'll write here number of elements in E. Direct here, no need to write each and every like set, no need to write number of elements. I'll write chosen class 12. Class 12 students total 430. Class 12 students we don't know here. So now you can take here next event. Event F is chosen student is a girl. Student is a girl. So how you will make this one? So first of all I'll write probability of F. We don't know probability of E. The number of students studies class 12 we don't know. So probability of F is equal to probability of F. What is the F? Student chosen is a girl. Now we see the example 4. In a school there are 1000 students, out of which 430 are girls. In 1000 students, 430 students are girls. It is no, out of 430 students, 10% girls studying in class 12. 10% of 430 is 43. 43 students studying in class 12. Next, what is the probability that student chosen randomly studies class 12 given that the chosen student is a girl? So here first of all I'll write number of element in sample space is total 1000. Next, let E be the event. First, what we need that I'll write probability that student chosen studies class 12. We don't know the how many members in class 12. We don't know that. Just we have to take the event E. Next, F is a event. Chosen student is a girl. Here already given that chosen student is a girl. Chosen student is a girl. So we know that probability of F is equal to how many girl student is there? 430. 430 is a favorable by total number of outcomes is 1000. If you are cancel 0.43 you will get 0.43 is the probability of F. Next, probability of E intersection F. E intersection F means student chosen studies in class 12 and student is a girl. Class 12 and girl. How many is there? 10% girls are studies class 12. So intersection part is 10% of 430. 430 10% is 43. I am writing directly here 430. 430 of 10% is equal to 43. So 43 by 1000. 43 by 1000. 0.043 is the probability of E intersection F. Next, we need probability of E by F. is equal to P of E intersection F by P of F. That is equal to 0.043 by 0.43. 0.43. If we are making simplification, 0.1 is the answer. Here no need to write the probability of E. Why? Because we don't know the probability of E. So here E is a event, F is a event. Find the E by F condition. Given that you have to write as a denominator. Before that, what probability is that? That is a E. E by F. So answer is 0.1. Pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 10 in exercise 13.1. A black and red dice are rolled. Two different types of different colors of dice is there, black and red. So now two dice rolled. First of all, I'll write the sample space. Number of elements in sample space is one die throw means 6 you will get, 6 outcomes. Two dice throwing here. So 6 square is equal to 36 you will get. 36. Next, question you see here, question number A here. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9. Sum is greater than 9. Given that already completed event is black die resulted in 5. So first I'll write one event E. Let E be the event. Sum is greater than 9. So I'll write the elements in E. 4, 6 is the one element. Sum is greater than 9. Next, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So these are the outcomes of E. Favorable outcome for event E. Next, F be the event. Black die resulted in 5. Black die resulted in a 5. Black die resulted in a number 5. So F is the event. Favorable outcomes. First one I am taking as a black color. So 5 first one, second one 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. So these are the outcomes of F. Next one, probability of E is equal to. Before writing probability, E intersection F will find here. What is the intersection part between E and F? Intersection part between E and F you can observe here 5 5 5 6. 5 5 and 5 6 are the common part between E and F. Now probability of E. Favorable outcomes of E is 6 by 36. That is equal to 1 by 6 you will get. Probability of F is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 36. Same to same you will get 1 by 6. Probability of E intersection F is equal to. Probability of E intersection F is equal to 2 by 36. That is 1 by 18. Therefore, probability of E by F we need. Probability of obtaining greater than 9. Already completed work is resulted 5. Black die resulted 5. So P of E by F I am taking. P of E intersection F by P of F is equal to 1 by 18 by 1 by 6. Cancellation 1 by 2 you will get. 1 by 2. Substitute here 1 by 18 by 1 by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja. 1 by 3 is the probability, required probability. Next, B problem you take here. Problem B. Question is, find the conditional probability obtained sum is 8. So first I'll take the one event. Sum is 8. Sum is 8. So event E is equal to sum of the numbers is 8. So I'll take 2 comma 6. 8 you will get. Next one 3 comma 5. 4 comma 4. 5 comma 3. 6 comma 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So favorable outcomes of E is 5. Next, F is another event. Given that red die resulted a number less than 4. Red die means here black die I am taking as a first position. Second position is a red die. So red die resulted less than 4. Less than 4 means 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers possibilities is there. So F favorable outcomes are. Second one is red. So I am taking up to 1, 1, 3. This one black. Second one 1. Possibilities. Black 1, red 1. Black 1, red 2. Black 1, red 3. Next 2 comma 1. 2 comma 2. 2 comma 3. Up to 3. Why? Because less than 4. Second value compulsory less than 4. Next 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3. First one we can take. Why? Because first die represent the black die I am taking here. So that's why second one up to 4. Less than 4 only how to take. 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3. So now intersection part between E and F. E intersection F is equal to, what are the intersection parts here? Here you can take 5 comma 3 is the common part, 5 comma 3 and 6 comma 2 are the common elements. So now probability of E is equal to 5 by 36. Probability of F is equal to, these are 18 you will get total. First line 6 is there, 6 3 is 18. 18 by 36, that is 1 by 2. Next, probability of E intersection F is equal to, probability of E intersection F is equal to 2 by 36, that is 18, 1 by 18. Next here, probability of E by F is equal to probability of E intersection F by probability of F, that is equal to 1 by 18 by 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So 1 by 9 is the required probability. 1 by 9 is the required probability. Pause the video to note it down. Now you see the problem number 11. A fair die is rolled. Solution S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A die is rolled means you will get the total 6 outcomes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, what they given, that I'll write. Given E is equal to 1, 3, 5. F is equal to 2, 3. G is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. G is equal to E by F, F by E, E by G, G by F, and this one also probabilities, conditional probabilities you have to find here. So that purpose I will find by this one what we need, E intersection F need. So E intersection F is equal to E intersection F, only number 3. Next one, F intersection is nothing but already completed. E intersection G also we need. E intersection G. E intersection G is 3 and 5. Intersection part is 3 and 5. So next one, here also E union F we need first. E union F also I'll find here. 1, 2, 3, 5. E union F is 1, 2, 3, 5. Next I'll find E union F intersection G. E union F intersection G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 5 is the intersection part. 2, 3, 5. Next one, E intersection F intersection G. E intersection F intersection G I'll find. E intersection F intersection G is only number 3. Why we are finding these all means we need the formulas here. We need the probabilities. So I'll find the now probabilities. P of E is equal to 3 by 6, 1 by 2. P of F is equal to 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Probability of this one is 1 by 3. Next one, probability of G. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Probability of E intersection F is equal to 1 by 6. Probability of E intersection G is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3 you will get. Next one, probability of E union F intersection G is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Probability of E intersection F intersection G is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6. So, all probabilities we find here. Now formulas, by using the formulas you have to simplify. Probability of E by F is equal to formula, and probability of F by E, P of E intersection F by P of F, P of F intersection E by P of E. Next second problem, P of E intersection G by P of G, P of G intersection E by P of E. Next, P of E union F intersection G by P of G, P of E intersection F by intersection G by P of G. So all formulas you know here. This take as a simplification, take as a homework. The total 3 problems take as a homework. Pause the video to note it down. Now you see the problem number 12 in exercise. Assume that each born child are equally likely to be boy or girl. Equally likely means same possibilities is there, boy and girl. So here I write the solution. If a family has 2 children is there means what are the outcomes here? So total outcomes is both are boys may be possible, boy girl, girl boy, girl girl. So these are the total outcomes of the 2 children. Next here, what is the conditional probability that both are girls you have to find here. Let E is event both are girls. Both are girls means what are the outcomes? GG. Now question number 1. The youngest is girl. Let another event already occur. Given that means already occurred. So F is the event. Youngest is girl. Youngest is girl. So what are the outcomes of the F? Favorable outcomes of the F. Youngest means second one. Second one is girl. These are the favorable outcomes of F. What is the intersection part between E and F? Only one possibility, GG, both girls. Next here, probability of E is equal to 1 by 4. Probability of F is equal to 1 by 2. Sorry, probability of F is equal to 2 by 4. Probability of E intersection F is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, P of E by F, probability of E intersection F by probability of F you have to find here. 1 by 4 by 2 by 4. 1 by 2 is the answer. So this is the first problem. Youngest one is girl. This is fixed already. Both are girls. You have to find the conditional probability. Given that is only change. So second problem, let F is the another event. At least one is a girl. At least one is girl. So F is equal to, we can find here, F is equal to at least one girl. At least one girl means three possibilities is there. So BG, GB, GG. Both girls, girl boy, girl. So next, E intersection F is equal to E intersection F. E and F intersection part is only one, GG. Probability of E is equal to 1 by 4. Probability of E intersection F is equal to 1 by total 4. Probability of F is equal to 3 is the 3 by 4. So now probability of E by F is equal to formula P of E intersection F by P of F, that is equal to 1 by 4 by 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 1 by 3 is the answer here. So pause the video to note it down. Now we see the example number 6. A die is thrown twice. First of all, I will write the sample space elements. Number of elements in sample space is equal to twice. 1 time 6 outcomes. Twice means 2 times. X square is the formula. 6 square is 36 is the total number of elements. And next one, the sum of the numbers appearing observed to be 6. The sum of the two numbers, 2 times sum is 6. What is the conditional probability that the number at least once, 4. A number 4 at least once. Here you observe this one is a E. First one is a F. Why? Because this one observed, already given that one. What they given? Sum of the numbers appearing is observed to be 6. That they given. Given means F you have to take. So here I will write here, let E be the event. What conditional probability you have to find? The number 4 at least once. At least once. At least once means maybe 2 also. At least means minimum. Minimum 1 time, maximum 2 times. Here 2 times throwing, so maximum 2 times also possible. So I will write the elements of E. 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4. Next, first time only 4 may be chances. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. 4, 4 already here there. So in set we can't repeat the element. So 4, 4 I am not writing. Already here completed. So next 4, 5, 4, 6. Here 4, 4 I am not writing. Why? Because set non-repeating elements. There is no repetition of elements. Next, E elements completed. Next, F I am taking. F is sum of the numbers sum of the numbers is to be 6. Sum of the number to be 6. F is the set 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. So more any possibilities? There is no possibilities. So here how many elements is there? 5 elements. Next, intersection part between E and F you will write. E intersection F is equal to, what is the intersection part between E and F? You can observe here, intersection part is 2, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 2, only 2 elements. Now you have to continue the conditional probability. Before that, you write the probability of E. What is the probability of E? Probability of E is total favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is 6 plus 5, 11 is there. So 11 by 36 is the probability of E. Probability of F is equal to probability of F. 3 plus 2 is 5. Favorable is 5 by 36. Total is 36. Next one, probability of E intersection F. Probability of E intersection F is equal to 2 elements is there. So 2 by 36. 2 by 36. I am not doing the simplification. Why? Because 36 it will cancel in next step. Probability of E by F. Probability of E by F is equal to probability of E intersection F by probability of F. Probability of E intersection F is equal to 2 by 36 by F. Probability of F is 5 by 36. 36 get cancelled. 2 by 5 is the answer here. 2 by 5. So here you observe, this is a very important thing. Here F is first one, second one is E. All problems we are discussing, given that after is F you have to take. This is already the given. Sum is observed to be 6. So that's why I am taking that as a F. Next, what is the conditional probability of a number? Which one they are asking? That one is the first event. That is E. So next simplification, just formula substitution. So pause the video to note it down.